Here's a look at the winds, what we saw here across East Tennessee. Powerful and gusty winds today across East Tennessee. We can see all this powerful winds that we have saw today across East Tennessee. Okay. We saw some pretty gusty winds today. And we did saw some gusty winds in the mountains. This is our peak wind gust. Cove Mountain, 91. Camp Creek, 70. Cades Cove, 50. And wrong one. And then look at your Monday gusting too. That for your Monday, yesterday, and into today, gusty winds. Thanks for watching. We did have gusty winds yesterday into today. Wow, at least the winds died down and we now back to normal. Temperatures dropping into the 50s. Enjoy your week. Enjoy the rest of your week. Happy Tuesday night, guys.